Welcome to this lesson on trigonometry. Today, we are going to learn how to find unknown side lengths in a right-angled triangle using the cosine ratio. By the end of this video, you will be able to solve for missing sides with confidence. First, let's quickly recap SOH CAH TOA. To use cosine, we focus specifically on the CAH part. This stands for cosine equals adjacent divided by hypotenuse. This means we use the cosine ratio whenever our problem involves the adjacent side and the hypotenuse side. Here is the fundamental formula. Cosine of the angle theta is equal to the length of the adjacent side over the length of the hypotenuse. Theta represents our reference angle. This equation is the key to solving our problems. Depending on what is missing, we can rearrange this formula in two ways. If you need to find the adjacent side, multiply the hypotenuse by the cosine of the angle. If you need to find the hypotenuse, divide the adjacent side by the cosine of the angle. It is helpful to memorize these two variations. Let's look at our first example. Here we have a right-angled triangle. We know the angle is 35 degrees and the hypotenuse is 12 centimeters. We need to find the side labeled x since x is next to the angle. It is the adjacent side. Because we have the hypotenuse and want the adjacent, we will use the multiplication formula. Step 1, write down the formula. Adjacent equals hypotenuse times cosine theta. Step 2, substitute in our numbers. X equals 12 times cosine 35. Step 3, calculate the value. 12 times 0.819 gives us approximately 9.83 centimeters. Now for a slightly harder example. Here, we know the angle is 50 degrees and the adjacent side is 20 meters. We need to find side y since side y is opposite the right angle. It is the hypotenuse. Because we are looking for the hypotenuse, we need to use the division formula. So we set up our equation. Hypotenuse equals adjacent divided by cosine theta. Substituting our values, we get y equals 20 divided by cosine 50. Be careful here. Do not multiply. 20 divided by 0.642 gives us a result of approximately 31.12 meters. Before you practice, a quick warning about calculators. Always ensure your calculator is in degrees mode, often shown as D or DEG on the screen. If it is in radians or gradients, your answers will be wrong. A good test is to type cosine 60. If you get 0.5, you are in the correct mode. To wrap up, remember these key points. Identify if you have the adjacent and hypotenuse sides involved. To find the adjacent side, multiply the hypotenuse by the cosine of the angle. To find the hypotenuse, divide the adjacent side by the cosine of the angle. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.